everyone, and welcome to Rapid Translate. If you need a document translated quickly and professionally, you've come to the right place. In this short guide, we'll walk you through just how easy it is to use our website. Let's get started. On our homepage, you'll see two main options: Free Quote and Order Now. So, what's the difference? Free Quote is perfect if you want to see the price for your translation before you commit. Order Now is for when you're ready to go and want to get your translation started immediately. Let's walk through the Free Quote process first. First, you'll fill in your contact information. Just your full name and email address are required, but you can add a phone number if you like. Next, it's time to upload your documents. You can upload standard files like PDFs and Word docs, or even high-quality images like JPEGs or PNGs. Just make sure the text in the image is clear and easy to read. Right below, select the language you're translating from and the language you need it translated to. The additional details box is super important. This is where you can give our translators specific notes to ensure a perfect translation, like the correct spelling of names and places. Now let's choose your translation type. Certified translation is a precise word-for-word human translation that includes a formal certification letter. You'll need this for official purposes like immigration, legal cases, or university applications. Certified is priced per page. Standard translation is a high-quality human translation for things like websites, marketing, or personal use, where a formal certificate isn't needed. Standard is priced per word. And you might notice that for some languages, we offer even higher levels of official translation. For example, with languages like German, French, or Spanish, you may see options for specialized or sworn translation. These are for when you need a translator who has been officially certified or sworn in by a specific government body, perfect for documents that must meet the strictest legal standards in those countries. Still unsure which option is right for your document? It can be tricky, but you don't have to guess. Our expert team is always here to help you choose the correct type of translation to meet your specific needs. You can find our contact information at the end of this video or in the description below. Next up is the turnaround service time. A quick note, this is the delivery time for the final translation, not the quote itself. Regular service usually delivers 1 to 3 pages within 24 hours, but if you're in a real hurry, Rapid Priority Service moves your order to the front of the line, delivering 1 to 3 pages in 12 hours or less. After that, choose your delivery method. For a digital copy, you can get it for free via email, or you can add notarization. You can also select a physical copy to be mailed to you by choosing your country and shipping method. Once you're done, just hit Submit Quote Request, and you're all set. All right, now let's quickly look at Order Now. As you'll see, the process is very similar to the free quote, but with payment added at the end. You'll start with your name and email, upload your document, provide any additional details, and select your from and to languages. Then choose your translation type. For certified, you'll enter the number of pages. For standard, you'll enter the word count. A quick tip here, our minimum is 250 words. So if your document is shorter, just enter 250. Next, select your turnaround time. You'll see the price update instantly based on your choice. For delivery, select your country first, Then choose your preferred option, from a free digital copy to a notarized physical copy mailed to your door. Finally, scroll down to add your shipping address and payment information. You can see the total cost on the right. Once everything looks good, just click Complete Order. For even more convenience, you can create a personal account. Now, our account dashboard is empty, since it's brand new for this demo. But as you place orders and request quotes, this is where you'll find your complete history, making it easy to track everything. Inside your dashboard, you can view your complete order and quote history. Search for a specific order by its number, and easily update your address or payment info at any time. And if you'd like to learn more about all the different services we offer, you can find detailed information under the Services tab in the main menu, or by checking out the sitemap at the very bottom of our page. Finally, if you have any questions at all, our team is always here to help. You can fill out the form on our Contact Us page, email us directly at support@rapidtranslate.org, or give us a call at +1 888 980 3035. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this walkthrough was helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your big life moments, from immigration to education to business, are too important for guesswork. That's our philosophy at Rapid Translate, to provide fast, flawless, and certified translations you can always count on. We're more than a service. We're your trusted partner in global communication. Let's get your next project started.